Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Question and answer number 10, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: with Jesus Christ, has everything been said, or does revelation continue even after Him? Answer: in Jesus Christ, God Himself came to earth. He is God's last word. By listening to Him, all men of all times can know who God is and what is necessary for their salvation. With the gospel of Jesus Christ, the revelation of God is perfect and complete. To make it comprehensible to us, the Holy Spirit leads us ever deeper into the truth. God's light breaks so forcefully into the lives of many individuals that they see the heavens opened. Acts chapter 7, verse 56. That is how the great places of pilgrimage, such as Guadalupe in Mexico or Lourdes in France, came about. The private revelations of visionaries cannot improve on the gospel of Jesus Christ. No one is obliged to believe in them, but they can help us understand the gospel better. Their authenticity is tested by the church. In theology, we call this incarnation, from the Latin caro, carnes, which means flesh, becoming flesh. God's act of becoming man in Jesus Christ. This is the foundation of Christian faith and of hope for the redemption of mankind. Thus, in the letter to the Hebrews, chapter 1, verses 1 to 2, it says, in many and various ways, God spoke of old to our fathers by the prophets, but in these last days, He has spoken to us by a Son. On this truth, Blaise Pascal said, apart from Jesus Christ, we do not know what God, life, death, and we ourselves. Lastly, the foundress of the Missionaries of Charity, Nobel Peace Prize winner Saint Teresa of Calcutta said, I have no imagination. I cannot picture God the Father. All that I can see is Jesus. God bless you.